Hey y'all, it's Allegra, no, not like the medicine, and welcome back to my channel, Hair Tie Face B. This is probably moving because I'm holding my phone right now because the phone I use to record is doing some weird stuff. So anyways, this is the look I'm giving y'all. I gave y'all 3 different lip options. I think I like this one the best. I hope that y'all enjoy, and I'm gonna definitely try to record more often. I kind of fell off, and hopefully I'm back for good. We shall see. Stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm weird. Okay, so everything with the eyebrows is pretty much the same besides the concealer. I'm using a different concealer, NYX Got You Covered. I've had it for a while now. I just rarely ever use it. I think it's a little oily for me. Maybe that's probably why I don't use it. But yeah, I'm trying something different with my music. Hopefully y'all really like it. So for the most part, I probably won't talk, maybe not till we get to the eyes. And then I'm going to speed through like my foundation, but I'm really just going to try to focus on the eyes in this video. So for the most part, just sit back, relax, and listen to the music and, you know, get some tips if you can.
Not the type of chick, but karma for you is going to be who you end up with. Thank you, next. Thank you, next. Thank you, next. I'm so grateful for my ex. Thank you, next. Thank you, next. Thank you, next. I'm so grateful. Spend more time with my ex. I ain't worried about nothing. Plus I found someone else, and we having better discussions. I know they say I moved on too fast, but this one gon' last. Cause her name is Harry, and I'm so good with that. She taught me love.
Okay, so I'm just starting off with the base for my eyeshadow and getting that pretty smooth and even with the brush. It's a flat brush that I'm using. So I'm using the Colourpop Chasing Rainbows palette for the most part, but these colors I'm using right now in my transition area are from a palette called Crown. It's just like a brownish, like orangey color. So sorry I got rid of that clip somehow, but yeah, it's just like a transition shade that I was putting all over my my lid, but focusing mostly in my crease. So now I'm getting into the Chasing Rainbows palette, and those are the colors I'm using. I'm just using that like closer to my brow bone to add a brighter color. I really wanted it to be like a pinky color. So yeah, I just wanted you to be able to see that pink, so I put it on the like closer to my brow bone. So I'm just working that in and blending it out, and then I'm going in with that bright pink color and putting it all over my lid and blending that out. And then I went into a purple color. I must have lost that clip too. But I went into the purple color in that same palette. It's literally right next to it. And then I just focused that on my outer V area. And then, of course, I blended it out and buffed it out. And basically, I just built up those colors until I got them where I wanted to be, which is right here. And now I'm going to use that pink sparkly color and just put it all over like a semi-cut crease. And then I'm just going to go over it with something that I was like just so shocked by the color value of it. It was so nice. But yeah, so I was just using that color so it could be towards the front. And then the bright gold color I'm going to put on here. It's really not gold. It's like a holographic color. But yeah, you'll see.
Had to reevaluate what's important to me. Subtract myself for a minute so I could fly free. Wanted to see what it felt like up high above. Like what the hell is this vision I'm on the verge of? I'm missing Jimmy so bad, that's a memory of. I know there'll never be another that was real love. Half the time I wish people not even bother me.
yeah, so here I'm just applying that cream luster eyeshadow. I received that in a BoxyCharm, so I really don't know where to get it from, but it is so bright. But anyways, I was just using it like I would if I had applied concealer and then I was doing a cut crease. So I just put it in the areas where I wanted to cut my crease. And then, of course, when I've like gotten my half cut crease where I wanted it, I go ahead back in with the purple color and then kind of just diffuse the harsh edges of that goldish color. So it's really not gold. It's showing up gold on the screen, but it's not gold. You'll see.
Bitch, you ain't getting out. Peep through the window, blow my horn and yell your name out. Your mama came to the door, said what you yelling for? He at work, I kept his car, I dropped him off at 4. Oh, your double shift was today, huh? Shit, boy, you know I'm a little crazy, huh? I'm sorry, daddy, I didn't mean to start no shit. Come in, baby, just let me out the bros. Then I walk in the door, my nigga packing shit. The fuck you going, my nigga? That leaks ain't up yet. Boy, go lay down before you say some shit you gon' regret. Be doing shit you don't mean when you get this upset. He say he getting tired of dealing with me, but bitch ain't no escape, that don't mean nothing to me. I follow you to your job, I make a whole fucking scene. Don't believe me, nigga, try me, bitch, I show you what I mean. Yeah, okay. So he hopped in this whip and cut some corners on me. So bitch, I hopped in my shit and bitch, I'm trailing on him. He gon' need me in a minute, them tires leaking on him. I poked some holes in them bitches before I left this morning. Pull up beside him, I know that nigga mad too. Roll my window down and I said, hey, you need a ride, boo? Okay, so now, bitch, I want him, but I don't trust him. Forget that he's a sneaky nigga every time I fall. My face, stretch marks on my waist, but he like me anyway. No brows today, my edges ain't laid, but the pussy still feel okay. You want me to come to your crib? Well, that's a sexual suggestion. I'm sorry if I gave you the wrong impression, homie. I don't like you like that. It's not hard to understand, or is it difficult to comprehend, bruh? What a chick mean when she say let's be friends. I'm sure that I was clear when I mentioned it. Plus I got a crush on a dude named Glenn, so you can go and fall back, cause I'm not feeling you like that, and I'm not really into all that. I'd rather sit here, wait for Rico to call me back, yeah. We be on and off, but we down like 4 flats, I swear. Ain't too many like him around. Somebody tell him I'm brandy, cause I'm trying to be down. He should send me his location so we can have a conversation about what I'm gonna do when he come to my place, cause when I see him, I dream of a couple of eyes on me now. I feel them on me. You ain't loving me like that, so back up off me. You phony, you love me all of a sudden. Yeah, I see them views, but you ain't clicking that like button. And if the shoe fits, then go and wear it. Got a side thing with beats, but the music say we married. Yeah, I do this here, is what I'm made for. I make all my lyrics and I think that makes them mad, bro. I'm a genius, creatively on 10. And if you cut me open, I'll bleed lyrics from my skin. I ain't gotta lie, I ain't gotta lie. And if she got the nerve to cry, then I sang that ass a lullaby. And oh my, there's so much tension in the room. Oh, you getting mad? Well, I must be talking to you. Now you tell me if I'm wrong here, cause you act as though I don't belong here. I don't need them cause I get my own here. Had to reevaluate what's important to me. Stepped up myself for a minute so I could fly free. Wanted to see what it felt like up high above. Like what the hell is this vision I'm on the verge of? I'm missing Jimmy so bad, that's a memory of. I know there'll never be another that was real love. Half the time I wish people not even bother me. I attempted a couple drugs but it's not for me.
Thanks so much for watching, y'all. I hope I see y'all in the next video. I'm just gonna vibe out and admire my beauty until the video goes out. I will see y'all next time. Thanks so much for watching again. Peace out.